Okay, so the question number one, adding fractions with unlike denominators. We have 3 over 10 and 2 over 5. So 3 over 10 plus 2 over 5. So we can see that the common denominator is 10. Then 10 in 10 is 1. And 1 times 3 is 3. While 5 in 10 is 2. And 2 times 2 gives us 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So 3 plus 4 gives me 7, and this is over 10. Let me check your answer. Your answer is like leading you to say 6 over 5. Let me see what's wrong with that answer. Okay, let me advise something, okay? That whenever you're solving, you should always show this step. When you show this step, you'll be able to see whether you are right or wrong. Exactly.
Okay, sir.
And because it is this step that will tell us what answer is here. Like the common denominator is 10 because 10 is a multiple of 5. Fine. Then how many 10 is in 10? That's 1. 1 times 3, that's 3. And how many 5 is in 10? That's 2. 2 times 2 above, that's 4. So we add it together to get 7. This is clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at the second one. 1 over 4 and 3 over 8. 1 over 4 plus 3 over 8. So the LCM is 8 because 8 is a multiple of 4. So 4 in 8 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And 8 in 8 is 1. Okay. Then 1 times 3, that's 3. So the answer of this will be what? 5
Five and
over 8. So what I will do now, I'll look at maybe 7 out of the 14, okay? So
okay.
when I finish looking at 7 while you follow, you're going to write them down. Then you will do the remaining ones yourself, which I believe you are going to get it. Okay?
Okay.
So, and I will not go like number 1 to 7, no. Like I have done number 1 and 2. Let me do number 8 and 9 because this is another type, okay?
Okay, sir.
So now for number 8, we have 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. This time around, the bigger denominator 3 is not a multiple of the smaller one. So we'll go for the next multiple of 3, which is 6. So it's a multiple of both of them. Is that clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
that makes our denominator to be 6. And I think you got that 6a, which is correct. But let us now see. So how many 2 in 6? That's 3. 3 times 1 is 3. How many 3 in 6? That's 2. 2 times 2 above is 4. Okay. I
Okay.
think that is where you are missing something up. So 3 plus 4 now is 7 over 6, which is one whole number, 1 over 6. Is this clear to you?
Yes,
So in all of them, I observe that you're able to get your denominator, common denominator, but how to get the solution is now the main challenge. But I think you are getting it now, right?
yes.
Okay, let's do number 9. Then I'll look for 2 more to do, or 3 more to do. Number 9 says 1 over 6 plus 3 over 9. Okay, 6 and 9. Let me even check the one you did for 6 and 9. Yeah, you are right by putting 18, but you didn't even finish it because you are like, how do you continue? You understand me?
Yes.
Aha. So, because 9 is not a multiple of 6, we go for the next multiple of 9, which is 18. So, 18 is a multiple of 6 and 9. Then we pick 18. So, how many 6 is in 18? That should be 3, right?
3 times
Times 1
1 is 3,
equals 3. Very good.
and 3 times 3 is 6.
Wait, we will not use the 3. We'll say how many 9 in 18?
2.
2. Yeah, 2 times 3 is 6, right?
Yes.
Okay, that was
And
what you said, right?
yes. And
Okay,
the equals to 9/18.
which is,
But we should put 1/2.
aha, now you've gotten it. Okay. But nevertheless, I'm still going to do some more, like 3 more, so that I'll be sure that if I allow you to try the remaining as classwork now, you're going to get them. Um, Maybe you should pick any 3 numbers that I should do now. Yeah, pick any 3.
12,
12, okay.
5,
5
14.
and 14, okay. Now let's look at these 3 so that you will now do the remaining ones as a classwork now. Now, for this number, we're starting with number 5. So for the number 5, I have 4 over 9 plus 15 over 27. So we can see that 27 is a multiple of 9, so we'll pick 27. 9 in 27, so I wrote 29. So 9 in 27 is 3, and 3 times 4 is 12. 27 in 27 is 1, and 1 times 15 is 15. So, okay, so 12 plus 15 is what? 27, right? Over 27. And our answer is 1.
Yeah.
So that means it's not going to give us a fraction, but it's a whole number. Now, number 12, let's say 5 over 6 plus 1 over 7. 7 is not a multiple of 6. So we'll keep going with multiples of 7 until we see the one that's a multiple of 6. That's 14. No. 21. No. 28. No. 35.
40.
No. But 42. Yes. 42 is also a multiple of 6. So we're going to remove all of this. And all we're going to use is 42. Okay.
Okay.
So we use 42 as a common denominator. Now, Um, how many 6 in 42? That's 7. 7 times 5, that's 35. Then 7 in 42, that's 6. 6 times 1, that's 6. So if I had 35 and 6, I go 41
40.
over 42. And the last one, number 14. We have 2 over 15 plus 1 over 6. Okay, 15 is not a multiple of 6, but 30, which is the next multiple of 15, is a multiple of 6.
Yeah.
So we use 30. 15 in
I
30 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 in 30 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9 over 30. And we can reduce it to 3 here, 3, 3 here, 10. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, what I'm going to do now, let me pack up all of these solution to the bottom so that you write them. And remember, I said you should always put the step, okay, so that it can guide you in doing the correct thing. So let me add this one to okay, this one, then the last one, which is number 14, and drop it here. So once you're through with this, I'll bring up the page so that you can do the remaining ones as classwork. So write this down, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. First question says 6 over 24 plus 1 over 8. So let me see. 6 over 24 plus 1 over 8. The LCM is 24, and 24 in 24 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Okay. Then 8 in 24 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And this is 9 over 24, which we can reduce to um, 3 over 8. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you only missed this place. So, but if you leave your answer this way, it's still okay, but it's good as you try to reduce it, but take note of that, okay? Then number 4, we have 2 over 6 plus 4 over 18. So we can verify that the LCM is 18. Then we have 6 in 18 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And 18 in 18 is 1. 1 times 4 is. So we have 6 plus 4 is 10 over 18, which you got, and we can reduce it to 5 over 9, which is correct. Then number 5, oh, number 5 is not there, number 6, 8 over 16 plus 3 over 8. So the LCM is 16. 16 here 1, 1 times 8, and 8 here 2, 2 times 3, 6. And this is 14 over 16, which is 2 here 7, 2 here 8. So this should be 8, okay?
Okay.
7 over 8. Then
I think
yes, you have seen it now. Then number 7, the LCM is 12. 12 here 1 times 5. Then 6 here 2 times 2. And this is 9 over 12, which is 3 over 4. 9 over 12 is 3 over 4, okay?
okay.
So then number 10, 2 over 4 plus 1 over 3. The LCM is 12. 4 here 3 times 2, 6. 3 here 4, that is 10 over 12. 5 over 6, which is correct. Then number 11, we have 3 over 12 plus 1 over 9. LCM is 36. So 12 here 3 times 3, 9. 9 here 4. So that's 13 over 36, and we can't reduce it. Then the last but not the least, which is number 13. 1 over 3 plus 3 over 5. LCM is 15. 3 here 5 times 1. We have 5 here 3 times 3. And this is 14 over 15, which is also correct. So you've done a good job to this, okay?
Okay.
So this first question from the classwork says um, 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5. You know, if it is subtraction, it's still the same method, okay?
Okay, sir.
All you just need to do is to change the sign, but you just use the same method. So the first one, I have 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5, and our common denominator is 20. Since 5, which is bigger than 4, is not a multiple of 4, we go for the multiple of 5 that is also a multiple of 4, and that's 20. So 4 in 20 gives us 5, and 5 times 3 gives us 15. Plus 5 in 20 gives us 4, and 4 times 1 gives us 4. So this is 15 plus 4. That's 19 over 20, and we can't reduce it because 19 is the prime number. So that's correct. Then the second one, we have 5 over 6 plus 2 over 18. If you like, you can reduce this first, okay?
Okay.
If you like, but you're still going to get the same answer. So let's try that. 5 over 6 plus 1 over 9, right?
Yes.
So the common LCM that we're going to pick for them is still going to be 18, okay?
Okay.
Because 9 that is bigger is not a multiple of 6. So we'll now go for the next multiple of 9, which is 18. And it's also a multiple of 6. So 6 and 18 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Then 9 and 18 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So 15 plus 2 is 17 or 18. So you will see that we arrive at the same answer, right?
Yes.
Though, if you had done the other way around, to say, or when we pick 18, we say 6 here, 3 times 5, that's 15. And yeah, I think 18 here, 1 times 2. So it's still the same 17,
That's what
okay?
I did.
What did you say?
That's what I did. I added 15.
Yes, yes. So whether you reduce it or you do the same thing, it's still going to give us the same answer. So the third one, we have 2 over 4 plus 1 over 8. Fortunately, 8 is a multiple of 4, so we pick 8 as the bigger one. 4 here is 2, and 2 times 2 gives us 4. Then 8 here is 1, and 1 times 1, so this is going to give us 5 over 8. And the last one, not the least, 1 over 3 plus 2 over 21. So we're going to have the LCM 2. Is it 21? 2 over 21, yeah. So what is the multiple of, okay, yeah, 21 is a multiple of 3, okay?
Okay.
So 3 in 21, that is 7 times 1, that's 7. And 21 here, 1, that is times 2. Then we have 9 over 21, which we can reduce to 3 here, 3, and 3 here, 7, right?
Yes.
So how did you get your answer? You got 1 over 3 now. Though I'll give you this one, but you understand
Yes.
me? It's supposed to be divided by 3 because 9 cannot divide 21. If it's 7 over 21, that'll be 1 over 3. But since it's 9 over 21,
Oh.
yeah, so that was the mistake you made there. Okay, now it's certain that you've been able to understand this addition of fraction, and if it's subtraction, it's still the same thing. You're just going to put the minus instead of the plus sign. Okay, I'm going to